Situation update. We broke down just over a week ago.
Exactly a week ago.
Exactly a week ago with our serious engine problem. Today we ordered one from Canada because it's the only place that really stocked the actual right model for us. He's told us it's going to be shipped on a pallet today, and hopefully within 2 weeks it will be with us here for us to swap it over and be back on the road. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Oh no.
Amy.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We've been up for about 2 hours getting Ruby ready. Hopefully our engine is en route and we will be going any minute now to collect it. How are you feeling?
I just hope it arrives. I hope the garage is actually open. I hope the clutch isn't broken, etc.
What about Amy?
Amy looks how I want to look.
After 4 long weeks, the moment we'd been waiting for had finally arrived. All we could do now was hope that it was the correct engine and the swap would go without any problems.
This is our nice shiny new engine. The manifold has been taken off. We'll be putting the bottom block in. Willow is preparing the old one to get it out. So we're getting there.
Yeah. So you want to see the seal here. It's not really focused on it.
By the end of the first day, we'd pretty much had the engine swapped over. After a few minor adjustments, it was soon time to try and start the engine for the first time.
I'm more afraid of the peak. You're like, oh, you can let the garage do your end.
You ready?
Yeah.
Willow?
Yeah. Quite then. No spark. Let me see if I got a spark at least. Again. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. A little bit longer. Okay. Crank it. Again. Next spark on 3. Again. Again. One more. Okay. Still a timing issue.
Yeah.
No spark on the back 2 cylinders,
Okay.
which is normally incorrect timing. This is why.
That's where the notch is. You can see the little mark in it.
Not even hating anymore. So, what's better?
After some online research, we learnt that the crank and cam sensors were slightly different on our new model, which meant we had to swap our old ones back over.
Well, I'm glad I thought to check that. So you need to put the back and get that up. It was fire. Lots of fuel. Yeah, we just did it round twice.
Fuck yeah!
With the engine running, it meant we were finally able to say goodbye to Baja. What was initially meant to be a 5-week trip turned into 8 long months. Our time in Baja truly opened our eyes. We would discover endless beautiful beaches. Spend time with like-minded travellers. Get up close and personal with some of Baja's most spectacular sea life. As COVID hit, we sought sanctuary out in the Mexican desert and spent 3 months with our new friends Hannah and Kiki. Until the time arrived for us to eventually hit the road once again. But we weren't quite finished with Baja just yet. On our last day, we got up early to spend one final day on Balandra Beach, one of Baja's most spectacular public beaches.
Smile. So against all the odds, we made it to the ferry port. We do have one problem. We have a bad track record for actually getting onto the ferries based on our experience of trying to get to Fraps. Fingers crossed, we'll make it.
Smoke billowing out the ferry's chimney signalled it was time to leave. It was kind of a shock to finally be leaving after everything we'd just been through during the last month.
I've changed my mind. I'm going to stay. I want to go back to the ranch.
Bye bye Baja.
The longest 5 weeks of my life.